Hey everybody, it's Nicole coming in to show you how to make these cute table napkins from the Dollar Tree lemon dish towels. So stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so let's get started. Here is a finished napkin that I made from the dish towels. These are so easy to make. Of course, I'm using my sewing machine, but if you don't have a sewing machine, you can always do this by hand. Here's the dish towel that you get from Dollar Tree. And what we're going to do is remove, the packaging and everything, of course. And as you can see, they are folded into thirds, and then the thirds are folded in half. So we're going to use the creases that the folds made to our advantage, so that we don't have to do any measuring or anything like that. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Here's the towel folded in the thirds, and I'm just unfolding it. And then as you can see, there is a crease down the center, and that's what we're going to use as our guide to cut the dish towel in half. And you'll see me do it right here, right down that center, and that gives us the two napkins from the one dish towel. And make sure you're using some really good and sharp scissors. Make sure they're good fabric scissors or whatever, so you can get a good clean edge, so that you don't have, like the jagged look or whatever. So what we're going to do now is just fold them back into thirds, and we're going to finish off that cut edge, because you want, on the dish towel, they have the, I guess, surged edge, if you will. So we're just going to go to the sewing machine, or if you want to do it by hand, and finish off that cut edge so it's not as, rough, and you have that little bit of shedding from the towel. I'm right now, I'm actually just sort of finger creasing that edge, but you can also pin it, and I'll show you how to do that in the next clip. But you can, for those of you who are not sewers or whatever, you can pin it. But I'm just using my fingers to sort of crease it and take it to the machine. Okay, so right here, I'm just going to show you how to just pin it. It's probably like 1/4 of an inch, maybe, folded over or whatever. But again, you don't have to do this step, but if you're a beginner sewer or whatever, you may want to. Or you could take an iron to it. I was just being lazy and just iron the crease in it. But I'm just trying to make this as quick and easy as possible. So, yeah. Okay, so I've brought the napkin to the sewing machine, and I'm just using a, straight stitch to sort of sew down the edge, just to keep it from fraying and, all that shedding and all that good stuff. It's made out of terry cloth, I'm assuming. I'm not even sure. I didn't even look. But you just want a clean edge. Since we cut that edge, you kind of want it to look like the other 3 edges that have been serged or, sewn down or whatever. So that's all we're doing. And again, like I said, you can do this with a needle and thread. It'll just be a little bit more time consuming, something you can do while watching TV. All right, well, that is it, y'all. You obviously can get 2 napkins out of 1 dish towel. So, you just buy however many dish towels according to how many place settings you have on your table. So Yeah, super easy and super simple, y'all, and a great way to create something from those towels to go along with the lemon place settings. They're really pretty. Everybody's kind of wearing me out with the lemon, but I did want to come in and show you how you can make these napkins. I really love them. I'm going to use the napkins with a set of white dishes that I already have because I'm on, like I said, lemon overload. But anyway, this is really cute. Tell me what you thought about this DIY, and stay tuned for pictures. And I also used some napkin rings that I got from Dollar Tree, so you'll see these in the picture. And again, if you haven't already, please subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.